REKR stock analysis tomorrow and onwards. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Rekor Systems stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short 1 minute video till the end, find out. We're sitting at $2.27, 5.4% down. And guess what my bias on this is? Obviously, I want to take things up. Like, I'm not gonna just randomly buy. I've already bought here, and this is like made way beforehand. Let me show you the proof of this video. Me calling it out beforehand. There you go.
At least like 1/5
at the time, like 6th was already here. So this is like made on 5th, although it's gonna say, yeah, 5th of January right here. Today we are ultimately 7th of January. So this is from 8th and onward, right? But it's such a low, like, bullish chart for me still. So I'm just gonna move this to the side because it was in the way. But the only way that I'll continue with it is if I see deeper retracements, a double break, then I'm fine to long. Everything else other than that is pure noise though, you know, so that's how REKR looks like. Obviously, we'll keep waiting in the meantime, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and clean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.